Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Shure Stem Wall speakerphone as part of your Stem ecosystem, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this video conferencing soundbar is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your network, or it seems to be not responding or frozen, or just not working for any reason like that. If it's not pairing to something, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you want to set this up on a new network in a new office, or just in a new, you basically want to wipe everything off of it so you can set it up like it's a brand new device. This will do that for you. Just keep in mind this is going to factory reset this Shure Stem Wall and also anything else in the Shure Stem ecosystem that it is connected to. So all we're going to do is we're going to come in and press and hold the up and down, the plus and minus buttons, for about 5 seconds simultaneously until we hear the speaker read out the IP address of the speaker. Once we do that, we're going to release the buttons and then press and hold the up button. So within 2 seconds of releasing those up and downs, we need to press and hold the up button and hold that for at least 5 seconds. And then the light will start to flash red on this and on every other device in the network. And after about 5 seconds after that, everything will restart. And once it restarts, you can go ahead and set it all up basically like it's brand new.